Oh, good. Steve, how are you with a needle? I caught the summer bug and cut all my pants into Daisy Dukes. Turns out it is not a flattering look for my body type.
I actually want to talk to you about a potential case.
What kind of case? Upper? Rape? Of the Monday?
Murder.
An old classic. Go on.
Someone got murdered on secret swimming hole. But the police are dragging their feet solving it because they want the hole for themselves. It's ridiculous.
Tornado emergency currently in effect for McPherson County. The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a tornado warning for McPherson County in central Kansas, western Marion County in central Kansas,
You know we don't work cases.
until 2:05 a.m.
I promise I'm not too
At
close.
1:32 a.m.,
A man's been
a confirmed
murdered and
tornado.
nobody seems to care.